Okay, we're back again. Back to doing the floor. Got all the tools. I'm gonna zoom you over there and then you can see what I'm doing over here. Let's see, let's zoom you down. There you go. So I ran a bigger plate on this side, and before I start drilling, let me see if I can get this can. Oh, it's solid. So, how strong this stuff is? Herculiner. There's my paintbrush. You no longer get it out of the can. It's solid in the can. So if it's solid in the can, it's solid on the floor, right? That's why I'm gonna grab another can of this stuff in a little bit. So we're gonna drill down this right now. I got a plate I made. We're gonna bolt it down. We're gonna drill it and rivet it down. I found. Let me see if I can find some. Oh, there's a good spot. That's a good spot. Good spot. Right in front of the frame on that one. Okay, we're gonna have to move it over a little bit there. That's good, right there. Alright, we're gonna do this. Drill it down, let's get it done. Yeah, we got it good there. There we go. Putting a couple more rivets in this one. It's a longer plate, so I add a couple rivets. Got 6 on this one. This 6 on this plate. Keep it pushed down a little bit. That's what's nice about that leverage. Bad thing about these, they're so damn big. You gotta make sure you have space. That'd be nice. Nice. It's gonna come out nice, really solid. Then I'll blow out all the metal. Then I'm going to get some more material. And I did say I was going to take out the cap next. The thing is, once I glue this down, I'm not going to be able to move it for, till tomorrow morning. What the hell would I do? That one's got to get really pushed down. That ain't working out too long. That hole clean. That's a good hole. That's what she said. Or he said, whatever. There we go, that's flush. Almost there. Remember, you don't have to make it too pretty. Bang it up pretty hard because you're going to seal it in good. Kind of keep the rivets about the same. I mean, it don't matter much. much your last plate on this floor before we seal it in. There you go. One last one. You wouldn't believe how strong the rivets are. Man, they're strong. I think I went through a little bit of frame on that one, but that's good. Got a good bite. It's stuck. I mean, these guns, these rivet guns are they're pretty expensive. I don't know where I got it from, but it's great for doing door handles and all that kind of stuff. So that plate is done. Now I'm going to seal it in, blow it out, seal it in, and come back. Hopefully by then we can do the other side we can finish. And then I'm going to put the brackets in and drill 2 holes wherever it sits. It kind of feels, I know where that one sits. We got to get that bolt out too on this side. So we got a little work to do. That bolt's got to come out. That will be the last bracket on that side. And this bracket, we don't know because we had to cover this floor up. So the best thing to do is bolt it to the seat first, then put the seat down, then drill holes. So we're not going to drill holes on these last 2. We're going to wait till we get the seat. So we're going to blow this out and seal it up. I think I have some more. Let's see what we can do. One second. Blow it out now. All these metal shavings, kind of close your eyes when I do this. If you don't have glasses and you don't have you sort of need what you see. You need to see what you need to see. Wait, does that make any sense? If you don't have glasses, that's one thing. Or if you're too lazy, you go get them. I don't have gloves. Man, I know it's gonna happen. So if you don't have gloves, if you don't have glasses, squint really hard and barely see anything, and it'll prevent all that metal from going in you. So that'll be this. That'll seam in good. Tell me this stuff is very strong. You can even force it into cracks. It'll be nice. It'll be a nice seal, and it'll be functional. The thicker you make it, the longer it's going to take the seal to dry. So kind of get it in there a little bit. You don't have to be too sloppy, but it's best to put more on than not enough. Then you don't have to go back to it. There you go. It's nice. Kind of run your brush in, kind of get it in that groove. Finish the top is like almost like a primer. And you're probably going to need 2 coats of that. That's a nice little patch job there. That's nice. That's good. That's it. So, you can get that dirty. So that's it for now. Now we gotta go get some material. You do not put this top on. This stuff will get solid rock. My top is pretty shot. If it's shot, put it in like a baggie, like a big refrigerator bag, and then seal it, because as long as no air gets in there, the stuff will stay good. And that's the same stuff. 264 Electromech roof patch. Very strong stuff. Extremely strong. It's almost the same as body seamer. It does the same kind of deal. So after we will get another quart, we're gonna paint this in. That's it. And then we're taking the top off. But before, the reason why I wanted to finish the floor, at least this part, because I'm gonna have to drive this out, and I'm not gonna be able to drive it out with the floor. I'm not gonna have that top hanging. So I just want to be able to take we're gonna have to take out the top first before we seal this in. Yeah, I'm gonna take the top off, put the top outside, bring the Jeep back in. It'll be topless, and then I mean, we could leave the top on, but I hope that hoist, that block and tackle, I want to see it work today. So we're good now. Make sure you tape the stuff to the sides. Maybe re-tape it again. It looks good though. It's gonna look real nice when it's all done. It's really coming out strong, very strong. Solid floor, that's for sure. And it'll look clean. It'll stop the rust. That's the thing. You gotta slow it down. One more bolt to get out too. That's it. That side will be done. One more bolt. Take cap off and seal this. Peace out. I'll go shut you off, or I'll shut me up. Like my wife would say, just shut up. See you, everybody.